Jeremy with Delaware Valley Septic, Sewer, and Storm. We're out here today at Huntingdon Valley doing a tank install. I'm going to show you around a little bit what we had to do to get this tank in. So the old tank is beneath this pile of dirt here next to the deck. It was cracked and leaking. So in order for the house to pass through real estate transaction, we replaced the tank and installed a new sewer line going to the cesspools that are existing already. So we had to dig it out, separate a bunch of this rock on the side of this hill here, and install a 1,250 gallon 2-compartment plastic tank. You have to be very careful when installing these, especially in rocky situations, because the rock can actually pierce the tank. So we did a lot of separation, and then we brought in about 12 tons of stone and compacted the tank in with stone first, 2B. And then we laid down fabric, and we're putting clean dirt on top. And then we're going to make a couple little rock walls here with the leftover rock that we have in order to step this hill down. So this particular customer listed their house on the market. This is a real estate transaction. So anytime that there is a real estate transaction, we highly recommend that you inspect the septic system, whether you're buying or selling, so that way you know exactly what is underground on your property. So in this case, the tank was cracked and needed to be replaced. So that obviously, if you're the buyer, you'd want to know that before buying the house. So this actually went onto the seller's responsibility to replace it. All right, so as you can tell, you can see that it snowed a little bit, but that's completely fine for what we're doing. We come prepared for any type of weather circumstance on the job sites. Normally this job takes about 3 days with 2 or 3 guys. But in these conditions, just an extra day to get everything buttoned up. And we're heading out. Make sure you like and subscribe and check us out on Delaware Valley Septic, Sewer, and Storm.com.